Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Maddie and I post beauty related content as well as fashion. I'm also going to start vlogging for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you don't miss anytime I post a video. So let's just get right into it. So today's video is going to be super fun. I love showing you guys when I get new things and unboxing videos. I want to really try to do more of those videos for you guys because I think you enjoy them as well. But before we jump into anything, can we just talk about my hair? Like, ooh, I am so in love. So I got my hair done yesterday. I didn't vlog it, but like I did like a little mini video for TikTok. If you guys don't follow me on there, be sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram, Maddie.Leonardo. But I am so happy with the way that my hair came out. I don't know if you guys can see the back. I know like my curls kind of fell flat a little bit because I was like actually doing a lot of stuff yesterday, but I didn't want to like put heat on it or anything, and I didn't want to wash it just yet because, you know, when you do highlights or anything, you don't want to like wash your hair the next day. You need to like let it chill, let the toner set in for a little bit. So I can't wait to style it like with the way I really do my hair. But yeah, so enough about that with the rambling. I just had to mention it because your girl is feeling so cute today, and it's like, it's crazy what hair could do, right? So let's jump into this video. So I'm gonna start off with my Tata Lash unboxing. Now I'm not gonna lie, I got this box a couple days ago and it's just been sitting there because I knew that I wanted to film for you guys. But today, while I was doing my makeup, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna open it because I really want to wear one of the lashes. So these are in the style Mercedes, which I'm gonna show you guys right here. It's crazy because I forgot how fucking bomb Tata lashes make me feel. Quality, everything, you guys already know. Could we just like, I don't know if my camera's gonna focus, but could we just look at the packaging? Like, the quality, the attention to detail, like, I just freaking love her. So she also gave me like some cute candies, which she gave me chocolate too, but I'm not gonna front like I ate them all. But this I'm gonna give to my daughters. I'm gonna like let them share that. And then look how cute it says, will you be my Lashentine? So adorable. I freaking love it. Like the way she packages stuff makes me so like, and look, the whole box is like pink, which is super cute. And then she put my name on there, Maddie, with a cute little sticker. Like, guys, literally it's like the details. Like, oh my god, I'm gonna open this up and see. Okay, I'm going to read it to you guys. It goes, Maddie, thank you for all the love and support you have shown me and my brand over the years. It never goes unnoticed. I love you. Thank you so much, my love. I love her too, guys. You guys don't understand. Like, we go way back and we hype each other up. And it's amazing the people that I've met on Instagram. From brands to like people and other content creators. Like, you guys are so freaking amazing. And I love you so much for each and every one of you that support me. It's really hard because, you know, everybody wants to win, everybody wants to like get noticed, but when you find people that like don't have any animosity or any weird energy, you know what I'm saying, it feels freaking amazing. Let's just jump in. Okay, so this is Valentina, which looks like this. Valentina are super long and like they're gonna like, you're gonna get noticed with them lashes, you know what I'm saying? That's what I love about Tata lashes, that her lashes are like, some of them are like long and fluffy, but they don't look crazy, you know what I mean? Then we have Amaya, which is another one of my faves. Super cute. And then we have Eve, which I freaking love Eve because I feel like Eve is kind of like Mercedes, which I'm wearing right now. Like, you could wear them every day and it's still like, it doesn't look like too much, you know what I'm saying? Love. Then we have Chloe, which Chloe I also freaking love because they're kind of like separated. So if you're doing like a halo eye or a cut crease, the lashes are not gonna like overpower your eyes. So those are bomb. And then we have Bambi, which Bambis are, every time I post with Bambis, you need these. But yay, thank you so much, Tata Lash. I love them so much. If you guys are looking for like a cute mirror, you guys always see me using this. I cannot live without this mirror. My daughter uses it a lot too. It's probably why it's like a little dirty, but yeah, Tata Lash. We're gonna jump into the Shein haul. I didn't buy a lot of stuff. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this is my first time purchasing from them. I kept seeing on Instagram like so many people promoting this brand, and I'm like, oh, I'm late to the party, but I was like, let's just purchase some things. And then I saw that they had stuff for kids, and I was like, yeah. So I also purchased some stuff for my daughters. I'm gonna show you that too. And same thing with the lashes. I decided to wear, I didn't want to wear the outfit because I wanted to like just show you, but I'm like, you know what, why not just sew them? So this is a shirt that I got from Shein as well. It's an extra small. Most of my clothes are extra small or small depending on the fit, but this is very stretchy and cute. It's a crop top, but like I tied it with a little rubber band. You know, I'm not even gonna front, I thought it was like swirls, but it's actually like a little angel. So super cute. And then I coordinated it with these sweats. Super cute. I love it so much. I really like my swag today. I feel like super comfy. I love buying joggers. I mean, I love jeans, but I don't really wear jeans that often. I'm always either in why am I burping? So I'm always either in joggers or like some type of leggings or something like that. But the way the joggers are now, like you could literally wear it with a cute ass fancy crop top with some heels and you look fire. So I freaking live for anything that, you know, lets me breathe. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna front. I bought this little Scully. Let me take it out. The bag. I don't know if you guys call it that, but we call this a Scully. I don't know. But I bought this to wear with this outfit. I don't know if I should put it on now. I don't want to get makeup on it, because when I wear hats, guys, like I don't wear makeup. But you know, I would obviously wear it the correct way, but I'm just like, ooh. What's this? But look how cute, like. Yes, I'm feeling it. Hold on, guys, give me a second, because that kind of fucked up my hair. So yeah, so I hope I don't have like a bunch of flyaways, but if I do, just disregard. So I bought this hat to go with this outfit. I don't know, you know, I wanted to show y'all my hair, so I was probably gonna wear this with a wig or something like that, but you know, this is the kind of color that goes with anything, so y'all gonna see me wear this with something else. But I love that. So if you guys are looking for like an outfit like this is all separate, and this was only $2. Like, you cannot go wrong, you know. They come in different colors too. I kind of regretted I should have bought them in other colors, but we're already in February and I feel like New York weather is crazy. Like by March it's probably gonna be like all sunny and shit and nice. So I'm like, you know what, that time has passed, so I just got this color. I'll show you guys what I got my kids first. So now that I know, because I wanted to see like the fit of it and what size to get my girls, so now that I know, I'm gonna definitely be buying them a bunch of clothes, because being able to buy myself clothes and them clothes from the same website is amazing. And as with kids, a lot of you actually message me on Instagram asking me where I go shopping for my girls. I freaking love Target. A lot of the clothes that I get for them are from Target. They're super trendy, cute, and you know, they have all sizes, so it's so easy to just, when I'm running errands, pick them up a shirt or some leggings or something like that. My daughters also are not really into jeans like that. They love leggings and things, so that's usually what I get them. The first outfit that I got is, I got this in a size 8 for Leia. So it comes like this. Super cute. I feel like this could fit me. It's crazy. Like their clothes literally look like they could fit me. But they're very petite like me. And then then it comes with these pants. The only thing I wish I would have noticed is that this is not actually a drawstring. It's just like there for, you know, details or whatever. But next time I do shop on there, I am gonna look for drawstring, because my daughters have little tiny waists and sometimes the clothes fits them like lengthwise but not from there. I thought this was like super cute, like literally a 2-piece, and the girls are excited to wear it. And it comes in this cute little bag that says Shein Kids too, so I like that. And then For Emma, which is my oldest, I got Emma this color because she looks really cute in like pastel colors and stuff like that. So it's the same one but just different color. Comes with the joggers, same style, just different color. I really like this color. So pretty. But yeah, so they're excited to wear that. And then from Mila, which is my youngest, I got her this. I don't know, but I am freaking in love. I kind of wanted to get this for the girl, my older two, but they didn't have their size. But it says happiness forever, and I really like the material of this. She tried it on last night and it fit her a little big. This is a size 6. She's 5, but she's very petite. But it fit her big, like good big, like baggy but still fitted, you know what I'm saying? This around here fit her a little big, but lengthwise it was okay, like it wasn't too bad. But like it's super stretchy. I like that. But she loved it. She's very, I think out of all 3, she's the most picky. Like she hates socks, she hates anything too tight. Like she's very picky when it comes to her clothes. So I was a little nervous about getting her this, because if the material's like scratchy or anything like that, like she would not wear it. I love crop tops. I love just the way they fit and how I love wearing like tight tops and baggier bottoms. It's just like my style. So I picked out this cute ass crop top, and it's scrunchy right here, which I freaking love. Super detailed. I got this in a extra small, but US size is a 2. Long sleeve, and I don't know how it looks on camera, but it's like a rose. And then I also got, I don't know, like this whole lavender color is a vibe. But this is another crop top, super cute. I don't know, maybe I'm starting to like get into like spring. Like I'm kind of over the dark colors already, so I've been trying to like get more like nudes and lavenders, you know. We already on that spring vibe. I don't know if I'm going too ahead of myself, but that's just the vibe that I'm on. And then I picked out some sweats. You guys, like I can't even tell you how many gray joggers that I have. Every time I purchase clothes online, I always get like gray joggers. It's just a must. But these look like the same ones that I'm wearing now, but in gray. And these I do like because they adjust here, because that's always my problem too, where it fits me everywhere, but on my waist area I need it to be able to pull the string so that I could tighten it. But yeah, so super cute. And I also got that in what size did I get that? Let me check right here. Ooh, where's the tag? Oh, hold on. I also got this in an extra small because, you know, your girl's small. Quality of these clothes is super cute. And, you know, with my daughters, I don't like to buy them anything too expensive because they get dirty. And then slime, you know how much things I've thrown out because of slime, you know. So it's just like, I love the whole 2-piece thing. I want to get them a lot of outfits like that, especially for the spring, where they could just be like that with a cute little jean jacket, you know. Real swagged out, real cute. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next